Is it necessary to know English for freelancing? As most of the clients at Freelancing are non-Bengali, so you should hold at least communication language skills through English language. That doesn't mean that you have to master English. Day by day, you use English words, those are enough to communicate. But if you are planning to work in writing or reading category, you must have a good level. Otherwise, simple verbal English is fine. Some people are afraid to come to this platform because of their lacking of English. Actually, nothing is to worry about if you have expertise in any section which doesn't require high language skills. You will meet a lot of Bengali clients. If you are worried about English, you can communicate with them through Bengali. You can customize your job search to native to apply only for native jobs, but it will limit your possibilities to become more successful, so better to gain basic command over English.